Hi, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I want to talk about General Motors' ECU firmware update service. It's aimed to help customers that are currently experiencing issues with their original ECU. This is specifically aimed for anybody with a GM vehicle. This includes Chevy, GMC, or Cadillac makes. This service can be performed on ECUs from any vehicle that is a sedan, coupe, convertible, SUV, light or heavy-duty pickup truck, and even commercial vehicles. As long as the manufacturer was GM, we can perform a firmware update on your original unit. The ECU controls the engine, but depending on the vehicle, can also be responsible for the transmission as well. There are Tech Service Bulletins, TSBs, issued by General Motors that will let you as a consumer know what issues can be resolved by programming a firmware update to your vehicle's engine control module. By having your original ECU up to date, this ensures that your vehicle is operating at the most optimal level as intended from the manufacturer, which also means improved responsiveness, less wear and tear on the engine components, the engine and transmission will operate more efficiently, and improved ECU ignition timing. To get the GM firmware update service, we will simply need the original ECU, along with the VIN of your vehicle and a reason that you need the ECU firmware update. It's important to note that there could be a mechanical issue in your vehicle, preventing your vehicle from operating correctly. Please make sure to diagnose and troubleshoot on your end first, prior to sending in the ECU for a firmware update. You can find out from your local dealer if there's a firmware update available on your vehicle, or you can find the Tech Service Bulletin online as well. Once you've confirmed that the issues you're having match the description of what the firmware update can fix, visit our website upfix.com. To purchase the GM firmware update programming service for your ECU, make sure to fill out all the information requested on there. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix technicians will program your part and keep you up to date along each step of the programming process. Your ECU will be plug and play when you get it back, and will also come with a 1-year warranty. You can select a 2, 3, or even a 5-year warranty as an optional upgrade. The typical turnaround time for a GM ECU firmware update is 3 to 5 business days. If no information is provided or the VIN is missing, there may be additional delays, so please make sure to include that when purchasing the ECU programming service. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.